Ever feel like you can't get your sleep right no matter what you do? Trust me, I've been there too. But what if I told you that your struggle with sleep and energy is all coming down to one thing, your circadian rhythm? Well, your circadian rhythm is your internal body clock that is the secret to giving you the energy and productivity throughout the day. Today, I'm going to be challenging you on changing some of your habits so you can live a better life. So what exactly is the circadian rhythm? Well, it is basically the internal 24 hours body clock that controls your sleep-wake cycle. It tells you when to be sleepy and it tells you when to be awake. It doesn't just affect your sleep, but it impacts your mood, energy level, and even your digestion. Here's the cool part. Circadian rhythms are influenced by environmental factors like light and darkness. When we are exposed to light, it signals the brain to stop producing melatonin, the hormone that makes us sleepy. But when the sun sets, melatonin production ramps up, increasing, telling our body it's time to wind down and go to sleep. But what happens when our circadian rhythm is out of whack? Well, short answer is that a lot of stuff can go wrong. If you ever found yourself to be wide awake at 3 in the morning and feeling like a zombie by 3 p.m., well, chances are that your internal clock is off. Well, disruption in circadian rhythm can cause insomnia, fatigue, and even burnout. In fact, research published in the journal Current Biology shows that people who have irregular sleeping patterns, like shift workers, are at higher risk for health issues, including depression, anxiety, and even heart disease. So if you're constantly feeling sluggish, it might not be because you're not a morning person. It could be that your circadian rhythm is out of sync. Here's where things get tricky. Our modern-day lifestyle is just made to mess with our circadian rhythm. Whether that be scrolling through Instagram, watching Netflix, or working on our laptop late at night, these blue light emitted from the screens can cause our brain to think that we're experiencing daylight, which decreases melatonin production, which can mess with our sleeping schedules. Studies from Harvard Medical School have shown that exposure to blue light before bed can delay sleep by as much as 3 hours, leading to difficulty falling asleep and reduced sleep quality. So it's no wonder that so many of us feel groggy and tired throughout the day. Now, if you feel like your circadian rhythm is all over the place, I have some tips and tricks to help you with that. First of all, go outside and get some plenty of natural light during daytime. The sun is a powerful tool in resetting your circadian rhythm. Just by being outdoors for 30 minutes a day can signal your brain to feel more alert and awake. The second tip is to create a wind-down routine before bed. About 30 minutes before you want to sleep, dim the lights, avoid screens, and do something relaxing, like reading or meditation. This signals your body it's time to sleep. Studies from Stanford University shows that these bedtime rituals can help improve sleep quality and make it easier for you to fall asleep. So after a couple weeks of sticking to my new routine on sleeping more consistently, I'm just amazed at how much better I feel. My energy level's way more consistent, I'm able to think way better, focus a lot better, and fall asleep way faster at night. It's really not just about the 8 hours of sleep that you're getting each night, but how you use those hours to synchronize that with your body's natural rhythm. Research shows that aligning your circadian rhythm doesn't just improve sleep. It can boost overall cognitive performance, creativity, and even your mood. And I can definitely say that I'm seeing those benefits firsthand. Okay, so here's the plan for the next few weeks. I'm going to challenge you to sync up your lifestyle to your circadian rhythm. What that means is you're going to adjust your exposure to light, have a consistent bedtime, and change your daily habits. And your goal is to see if these changes to your internal clock have an effect on your mood, energy, and productivity. Do you have any personal struggles with trying to sleep at consistent times? Why is that? Let me know in the comment below. I'll be doing a giveaway for Apple Music one-year subscription worth $99. And I'll be selecting one person in the comment section to win this gift. Thank you for watching.